I want to tell you a story about kidney disease solution. Don't give up on your kidneys. Kidney disease solution uncovered. Get all the facts. If your doctor or specialist has told you kidney function can't be improved, don't believe them. It simply isn't true. Listen to what Stephen has to say. I had end-stage renal failure and was told by my specialist nothing could be done except dialysis or a kidney transplant. I stumbled across the kidney disease solution by accident, and boy am I glad I did. I rushed out and bought your secret ingredients, which to my surprise were easy to find. Within 2 days I began to feel heaps better. I told my nephrologist about your solution but he had never heard of it. I told him to update his research. I can't believe that in such a short time my whole life has turned around. Stephen Pepler, 81 Ottawa, Canada. There's a reason why Stephen's doctor has never heard of the kidney disease solution. Find out that reason and how you can treat your kidneys by clicking the link below. Don't give up on your kidneys. There is a solution. Here it is. Equals greater than the kidney disease solution. You can click the link at the description box below.